Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's a girl Amaka here in the building. Okay, alright guys, so in today's video, I'm going to listen to Hurricane for the very first time. The song that is titled Loca Loca. Okay, alright guys, so before I get into this video, don't forget to click the subscribe button, like, people comment on what you think about this video, and also suggest other songs you want me to react. So let's get into this video, guys. Okay.
Nemoj da se ljutiš, hrabrost kupi. Jedna cura kao ja ne traži obećanja. Ne skidaš taj pogled ti sa mene. Lako ušla sam ja u tvoje vene. Osmeh tvoj mi kaže da ne želiš koga lažeš. Slatka kao Loco Loco, hajde, budi loco. Ram, ja slatka sam i fina. A ti si sam, ja sam, da bit će lom. Zato hajde, budi loco, loco. Ja slatka sam i fina. A ti si sam, ja sam, da bit će lom. Zato hajde, budi loco, loco. Bebe, čemu drama? Jedna cura kao ja ne traži obećanja. Baby, igram sama. To što nisi sa mnom, to je tvoja mana. Osmeh tvoj mi kaže da ne želiš koga lažeš. Slatka kao Loco Loco, hajde, budi loco. Bam, ja slatka sam i fina. Ti si sam, ja znam, da bit će lom. Zato hajde, budi loco, loco. Moja slatka sam i fina. A ti si sam, ja znam, da bit će lom. Zato hajde, budi loco, loco. 1, 2, girls, come on. Loco, loco. Sam ti ušla u mene. Hajde, budi loco, loco. A ti si sam, ja znam, da bit će lom. Zato hajde, budi loco, loco. A ja slatka sam i fina. A ti si sam, ja znam, da bit će lom. Hajde, budi loco, loco.
Okay. Oh my goodness, guys, that song was amazing. The song was amazing. The three ladies were beautiful. Oh my god, I love the style. I love the video. I love the dressing on the video. Like, it was so cute. I love how beautiful they are, and their voice was amazing. I love the energy. They want me to ding, Hurricane. I've never listened to them before. This is my first time, and I enjoy them. I like their vibe. It's amazing. Like, listen to something different for a change, and it's beautiful. I really enjoy this video. Alright guys, so an amazing video. Don't forget to click the subscribe button, like, drop a comment on what you think about that video, because I enjoyed that video and I hope you did. Alright guys, see you guys on my next video. Don't forget to comment and suggest songs that you want me to react to. So guys, see you guys on my next video. Bye.